Generally, public life, one can never be replaced. Any life for that matter. The very fact that one can dedicate one's life to others is a good thing, a great thing, and the impact of the work will always be remembered. We pray that the soul should be peaceful, eternal peace should be there, and the family develops the strength to face this irreparable loss. It's not only a loss to the family, it's a loss to the government also. Because his guidance, his experience, just cannot be replaced. But life has to go on, and God gives the strength to everyone around. The family, people who are manning the government, the people who he has represented in his long checkered career. Give them the strength to go ahead.
Yes.
Om Shanti.